Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and this is Chemistry Essentials video 23. It's on ionic solids. Over the next 4 videos, we're going to talk about 4 types of solids, and what those solids are depend on where their atoms are coming from. So on the periodic table, if we were to draw a line like this, on the left side we're going to have the metals, and on the right side, including hydrogen, we're going to have the nonmetals. And so if that solid is made up of just atoms from the metals, we call it a metallic solid. If it's only nonmetals, but they're relatively small, we call those molecular solids. If they have large structures of covalently bonded atoms, we're going to call that a covalent network solid. And in this video, we're going to talk about ionic solids, which are a combination of metal and nonmetals. And so ionic solids, remember, are going to be made up of, or their structure is made up of ions, which are atoms that have either gained or lost electrons. They're either cations or anions. And so they're put together based on these almost static charges. And so how big those static charges are going to be based on Coulomb's law. And so if they have large charges, it's going to have a better structure, or lattice energy we call that. And if they're smaller, it's going to have greater structure. And that's because they're closer together, those charges are. And so what are some of the properties that we observe in ionic solids? Well, they have a high melting point. They have low vapor pressure. They're going to be very brittle, break readily, and also they're going to be poor conductors of electricity in a solid form. However, if we were to melt them, they can actually conduct electricity.